Experience breathtaking views from this enchanting mountain top home sits on 37 plus acres. The property features a spacious living area, delightful kitchen, and two bedrooms and two baths. The terrace level includes a huge workshop, family room, and third bedroom and bath. With two garages and plenty of storage space, this home has it all. But the real showstopper is the view from the deck. A stunning panorama of Smith Mountain Lake, Leesville Lake, and the Peaks of Otter. This magical property is a dream come true, offering a serene and stress-free lifestyle. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.